How to type degree symbol on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Messages application on your phone. The Messages app on iPhone allows users to send and receive text messages, photos, videos, and other media with other iPhone users via iMessage or with non-Apple devices via SMS or MMS. It also supports features like group messaging, voice messages, and the ability to schedule messages. You are now in the Messages page. You can view all your messages over here. Open any message from here. Then, tap on the message box. In your keyboard, type in a number. And then, long press on the 0 key and select the degree symbol as shown. Following these steps, you can easily type degree symbol on iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.